When it comes to best practices in project management, it's very important to define what kind of project are you managing. If you are managing a project using a traditional strategy, a waterfall, for example, there's best practice for this type of project. If you're running a project in agile mode, there are best practices for this kind of strategy. Choosing a best practice, it's related to what is your strategy to manage a project. It's like running a marathon or a sprint. You cannot use the same strategy to run a marathon that you use to run a sprint. It's the same way in agile and waterfall. There are many practices that are related to waterfall mode, and there are many best practices that are related to agile mode. So it's very important before you search for best practices that you know exactly what are the strategies that you are using to deliver and to manage your project.